मेरा नाम डॉक्टर U.N.Roy है। मैं B.R.M कॉलेज में मैथमेटिक्स का टीचर हूँ। आज से हम लोग बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ सेट थ्योरी के बारे में अध्ययन करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम लोग फिनाइट सेट क्या है इसको देखते हैं। फिनाइट सेट कहेंगे वैसे सेट को, ये सेट हुज एलिमेंट्स आर फाइनाइट, दैट इज the counting of whose elements is possible. For example, A is equal to A. Infinite set, a set having an infinite number of elements called infinite sets. Cardinal number of set, the number of elements present in the set is called the cardinal number of a set, which is denoted by Na or by this symbol. So, if A बराबर this much, then cardinal of A will be equal to 4. Singleton set, a set having one and only one element is called singleton set. For example, pair set, a set having two distinct elements is called pair set. For example, n-elementic set, a set having n elements is known as n-elementic set. For example, this much. Family of sets, a set whose elements are also a set is called family of sets. For example, this much. Disjoint sets. Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if they have no elements in common. That is, intersection of the set A and set B is equal to 5. Equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if X belongs to A is implied and implied by X belongs to B for all X. Equivalent sets. Two sets A and B are equivalent if their cardinal numbers are equal. It is denoted by this symbol. Proper and improper subset. Let A and B be two sets. Then set A is said to be proper subset of set B if every element of set A is an element of set B and B contains at least some elements which is not in A. Similarly, if A is not a proper subset of set B, then it is known as improper subset. Index and index set. Let AI be any non-empty set. Then for each I belongs to capital I, A1, A2, A3, An are called index set, and the set I is 1, 2, 3, n are called index set, where I is called index. If I बराबर 1, 2, 3, n then the indexed family of set is given by this symbol, or it is written as A1, set A1, A2, A3, n. Union of sets. Let A and B be the two sets. Then union of set A and B, which is denoted by this symbol, is the set whose elements are either of set A or set B or both the set A and B. Symbolically it is written as this one. If X is not belongs to A union B, that is, if X is not an element of A union B, then it is implied and implied by X is not an element of set A or X is not an element of set B. Corollary: if U is the universal set, then union of set A and universal set is equal to universal. If I is a null set, then its union is equal to the set A. If A is null set and B is null set, then union of set A and B is equal to null set. If A is subset of set B, then union of set A and set B is equal to set B. Similarly, if B is subset of set A, then their union is equal to set A. Now for any set A, union of set A is equal to set A. Union of indexed family of sets. Let AI be an indexed family of sets where small I belongs to capital I, then union of indexed family of sets is denoted by this symbol. Symbolically it is written as intersection of sets. Intersection of two sets A and B is the set denoted by this symbol containing n elements which are common to both the set A and set B. Symbolically, intersection of set A and set B is written as if X is not an element of intersection of set A and B, then it is written as if intersection of AI where I belongs to I is an indexed family of intersection of set, then symbolically we write X belongs to intersection of AI, which is implied and implied by X belongs to AI for all I belongs to Y. If X does not belongs to intersection of indexed family of set, then it is implied and implied by X is not an element of set AI where I belongs to I. Difference of sets. Let A and B be two non-empty sets, then difference of sets A and B is the set containing elements of set A but not of set B. It is denoted by this symbol. Symbolically it is written as A difference B is equal to X. Similarly, B difference A is written as, so obviously A difference B is not equal to B difference A. Thank you.